Hello everyone, welcome back to Tech TV and an easy to follow tutorial on Pinterest. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to block someone on Pinterest. So please make sure to watch till the end. Subscribe to our channel Tech TV and ring the notification bell so that you'll get notified on our next interesting upload. So let's get on with it. At first, open Pinterest on your device and search for the profile you want to block. To search, tap the search icon at the bottom and type in the person's username. Tap Search. Once the search results are shown, tap the Profiles tab. Here, search for the person and tap on their profile. Once you are on their profile page, tap the three dots next to the Follow button. And on the pop-up menu, tap Block. Tap Block again to confirm. And that's how you block someone on Pinterest. If you liked the video, please leave a like and let me know if you thought it was helpful in the comment section down below. Thank you for watching and I'll be back with more interesting tutorials soon. Until next time.